It just shows you how to do everything. Public static void characters. Let's make char A equal to A. Char B equals \n. It's a special type of character, yes, that's one character. When you put a backslash, that actually symbolizes an escape character. That's what it's called. It can be anything that isn't normally on the keyboard, or that you can't represent as a letter. The \n is actually new line. So there's another one. It's \t, which is tab. Is there anything else? Oh, you can cast characters down to integers. So int I equals int a. Okay. And you'll get some really weird values because they don't translate. Like a is not 1, b is not 2. A is probably like 37 or something. I think that's what it is. Here, let's just print them all out. Oh, I can just copy this here. Compile. Run. Oh, gotta go change main. We're not doing doubles anymore. We finished that. Okay. Compile. Run. Okay. You have A, enter, which is new line, and then tab. And yeah, see, capital A isn't 1 or anything. It's 65. So, what's kind of cool about this, though, they are sequential. Like, A is 65, then B is always going to be 66. So you can cast it back to a character. You go I+1. And if you'll notice, you can actually do all of these calculations inside, so that whenever Java sees that you've done some calculations, it'll put the answer to those calculations as the parameters for the method. So you don't have to worry about like doing the calculations first. See, 1 more than A is B. But you have to cast it back to a character for it to be of any value to you. Okay. Next variable, string. Now, string isn't technically a variable, but it's used like one in Java. It's actually an object, and you'll see that because it's an object, which we'll get to making objects in the next chapter, or lesson, it has its own methods. So string A can be equal to s dot substring 0 to 3, and that's going to be 0, 1, and 2. So it's going to be HEL. Watch, here you go. Substring, as you can see, it just cuts S at these two places, and Java starts counting at 0. So it starts at 0, 0, 1, 2, ends at 3. It does not count 3 in there. That way you can go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5 is going to be the last one. String b equals s dot substring. Here's another method, s dot length. I think that's right. This will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just counts the number of characters. That's what s dot length does. And so, because this is the same amount of characters, we can actually combine these two methods, and we'll get this entire string again. So this combination really does nothing, but you can see how it could be useful for other things. Let's just comment this out and go to strings. Oops, forgot to do this. Okay, there you go. Hello, HEL, and then hello again. And there's a whole bunch of different methods with strings. There are some quick operations that aren't methods, but that are just kind of like string math. Here you go. You can do string C equals A plus, and then we'll put a whole bunch of variables in here. So there's another string. We'll just have some random characters in there. Plus, then we'll do like a character G. How about new line, so you can actually see that a little bit better. Then we'll do a number. We'll do 12. And then we'll do a double. Well, let's put a space in here. Any other variables? No, we haven't done any other variables yet. Okay. Okay, and you can see it put A, which is HEL, and then these random characters, then new line. There you can actually see new line. Then it did 12, put the space in, and then 12.5. So you can see you can do some pretty powerful stuff just with this stuff. Let's comment this out. We don't need this anymore. There is one more type of variable. Well, actually, there's a few more, but here I'll just give you a little example of them. Oh, but first, if you want to find any of the other methods for strings, you can go to the Java API, which I'll put a link to. I don't actually have that right now, but I'll put it when I post the video. It'll be in the, what's that called? This place. Yeah, not very useful. Okay, but in the Java API, you can go to any class, any standard class, and it'll give you all of the methods for that class. So it's a very useful internet source.